Good morning, all. All of us ate your breakfast? Good. Okay, let me ask you a question you have learned in the previous class. Okay, why the cell is called the structural and functional unit of our life? Is correct. It carries out the main functions in our body, isn't it? Yes. Okay, look at the fan above your head. How can we regulate the speed of the fan? Very good. The regulator in the switchboard help us to regulate the speed of the fan. Okay, like the regulator, is anything in our cell to control and coordinate the functions? Okay, I will tell you. It is the nucleus. The nucleus is the main thing that control and coordinate our bodily functions followed by the cell. Okay, so today we are going to study about the structure and function of the nucleus. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. In cell, nucleus was acts as a boss. It control, regulate, and manage the functioning of other organs inside the cell. Nucleus was first discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. It is also known as carrion. Nucleus is a double membrane bounded organelle. It is major organelle of the cell because it contains genetic material of the organism and perform cellular activities. Nucleus is present in the center of the cell. All cells contain nucleus except few cells like RBCs because it have short lifespan. In this, we are going to study about the structure of nucleus. Main structure of the nucleus comprises of four parts. The first part is the nuclear membrane, second is nuclear plasm, third is chromatin, and fourth is nucleolus. Okay, the first part is the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane are otherwise called as nuclear envelope or karyotica. It acts like a cell membrane. It separates the nucleoplasm and other structures of nucleus from the cytoplasm. It is double membrane having inner and outer surface. Side of membrane facing the nucleolus is called as inner surface, and side of membrane facing the cytoplasm is considered as outer surface. There is a space between the inner and outer surface which is called as perinuclear space. It is about 10 to 50 millimeter long. Outer nuclear membrane, the first one is outer nuclear membrane is continuous with a rough endoplasmic reticulum. It also contains ribosomes. Nuclear membrane is act as a barrier for the transport of macromolecules. It contains nuclear pores through which macromolecules can easily pass. About 3000 to 4000 nuclear pores are present in nuclear membrane. On the inner surface of the membrane, a thin layer is present which is called as nuclear lamina. It provides mechanical support to the nucleus. The second part we are going to study is the nuclear plasm. In nuclear plasm, it is otherwise called as karyoplasm, karyolim, or nucleosap. It is a type of protoplasm and is surrounded by nuclear envelope. Nucleoplasm contain chromosomes and nucleolus. Nucleotides and enzymes were also present in the nucleoplasm. The main function of the nucleoplasm is to store the DNA and facilitate an isolated environment where transcription or gene regulation is carried out. The other part is the chromatin reticulum. In this, the chromatin reticulum is entangled thread-like structures where is present nucleoplasm. They contain genetic material in the form of DNA. During cell division, chromatin condenses and form organized structures called chromosomes. Chromosomes contain small segment like are called which are genes. Genes contain DNA which carry genetic information from parents to daughter cells. The next part is nucleolus. It is dark, large and membraneless structure present in the center of the nucleus. It is surrounded by nucleoplasm. It occupies about 25% space of the nucleus. Its main function is to manufacture and assemble ribosomes and synthesis rRNA. Nucleus enlarges when cell is making protein. Next, we are going to study about the functions of nucleus. First function is it controls all the chemical activities in the cell. It regulates and control the working of other organelles in the cell. It contains the genetic material of the cell in the form of DNA and chromosome and also controls cell growth and multiplication. I hope all you understand the section. Okay, then it's time for doing the activity. Okay, write the activity in your science diary. Draw the structure of nucleus. Draw the structure of nucleus and label its parts. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.